There we are, India winning the toss and deciding to bat first. It's been a very good ground for India. That's in the gap. It's good timing as well. Swing onto the pads. It's a gorgeous shot. Terrific shot. More runs. He's very good in that area.
Over the top. Picked away. And clear square leg. That's beautifully timed. Beautiful shot. It's got that fine, but there is a man fine. He beats him. And once that happens, it's 4. And a very good 50 for Sachin Tendulkar.
And then you're up against this guy, who just effortlessly says, thanks, Charles.
There he goes. He's converted the last delivery into a fabulous boundary.
It's got that fine. That's off the bat. Lovely shot. Superb placement as well. Good half century here for Denish Karthik. Ideal foil for Sachin Tendulkar. Lovely shot. Looks as if it's gone the distance, yes. Gets there. Second 100 on this ground, his 4th against South Africa. And in all, number 46 in one-day internationals. Smash back over the bowler's head.
There is a man in the deep, but the ball's gone over. Goes for the big one and will remain a big one. Hit very hard. Very, very hard. He's a small man. Take it. Parnell picks up an important wicket and broken this partnership. Karthik's got to go for a well-made 79. Taken on the full and it'll be 4. That's 4.
That's 4. That's creative. Oh, he screamed that for a boundary, Tendulkar. Oh, that has traveled into the crowd. That's effortless. And that might just make it. It does. 150 for Tendulkar. That's 4 more. Oh, that's being smashed. Nobody moves. Oh, that's gone out of here. That's been caught from outside the off stump over mid-wicket for 6. That's in the air, and they have managed to get that wicket. Yousuf Pathan has played it straight into extra cover's hands.
36. Pathan goes for 300 for 3.
That's 4. And again, this time even better. This time for 6.
Inside out. Another boundary. Onside. 6. Just a flick of the wrist and the way she goes into the crowd. Bang, straight over the bowler's head. Smacked. Into the crowd. Smashed. Into the crowd for 6. And a quick fire 50 here for the Indian captain. That's in the air. Another 6. Gets it. First man on the planet to reach 200. And it's the Superman from India, Sachin Tendulkar. 200 from 147. Take a bow, master. 4 more. Smash down the ground. And a boundary to end the innings. 400 comes up for India. It's also the 100-run partnership. After 50 overs,
And to think the previous best on this ground was 289. How